Getting infected with SARS-CoV-2, the coronavirus, is started when the virus's spike protein binds to a receptor on your cell's surface. And this allows your cell to take in the virus, and the virus will unwind, and it will use its RNA to code for more viruses that your cell's machinery will have to make and somehow expel, whether the cell dies or not, to infect other cells, and it continues. So the virus is using all your cell's machinery. With the vaccine, it's delivered in lipid, which is the same as your cell's membrane, so it'll just fuse with the membrane and allow only the segment of RNA that codes for the spike protein into the cell, which will then use the machinery to make spike proteins. The spike proteins, without the rest of the virus, can't do anything to harm you, but your immune cells will recognize them, and the B cells that have antibodies, you don't have to know this part, I'm just learning this in my immunology course, but the cells that have antibodies will make more of themselves for the ones whose antibodies recognize the spike protein, and you'll form a memory. So the next time you see the spike protein, when it's for real, connected to a virus, you're more ready to respond. Your immune system is primed, so to say. Because the first time your immune system sees a certain pathogen, or antigen, the part that it recognizes of an invader, it takes at least 7 to 14 days, to fully mount a response to it, an adaptive immune response. And by having the vaccine, especially 2 doses, you have finely tuned your immune system to be ready and not take that long. It'll react much faster and stronger when it sees it for real, and you'll be way less in danger. And I promised I would go over the ingredients. That was the whole point of this, but I had to give some background. So obviously it contains the mRNA, and it is enclosed in lipids. That's how it's delivered. The lipids are suspended in phosphate buffer solution, which is just like saline, and there's sugar, sucrose, to keep the lipids from sticking together. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty transparent. This is the exact sheet that they gave me when I got my vaccine a long time ago. I will provide proof of that. So here's my vaccine card. It shows that I've been vaccinated for about 5 months, and I didn't have any side effects to either dose other than a sore shoulder where they gave me the shot. And I signed up the first day Florida allowed my age group to sign up.